Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good today. And today I want to tell you how I learned English with ChatGPT. My name is Shahid and I am 24 years old. I live in a small village in Uttar Pradesh state, and today I want to tell you something that changed my life. Not in a small way, not in a feel good way, but in a way that changed how I speak, how I express myself, how I feel about myself. I want you to listen to this story because I promise you, if English is your weakness, if you are afraid to speak English, if you feel small when others speak better than you, this might be the most important video you will ever watch. I am not here to teach you English. I am just here to share my story. I am not famous. I am not rich. But I did one thing. I learned English, fluent English with confidence, using only one thing, ChatGPT. And no, I didn't go any class because I am poor. I did not spend any money. I did not memorize boring grammar books. I just opened my mobile phone, typed one sentence, and started. So today I am not going to teach you English. Rather, I am going to tell you a story of my life. How I went from a quiet boy in a small village to someone who can now speak in interviews, post videos online, write emails, messages, and stories all in English. And today I will show you how you can do the same step by step. No confusion, no any pressure. So if you have ever said, my English is not good, I cannot speak, I can't understand. So this video is for all of you because I have told some important things in it. You know all my English was a joke. Let me take you back. 3 years ago, I was 21 years old. I was very honest boy. My English was terrible. Not just a little bad. I mean really bad. If someone asks what is your name, then I don't understand. I could not give any answer. My mind would go blank. And even I said something, it sounded strange, wrong grammar, broken sentence. I hated it. I remember one time a man asked me something in English. I tried to speak, but I couldn't say a full sentence. He smiled and went away there. But I felt so small, so stupid. I went home that day and did not eat. I lay on my bed and I thought to myself, why am I like this? Why can't I speak like others? Why do I feel like a fool every time I open my mouth? As you all know that people living in villages mostly speak Hindi. Their English is not good, but they definitely know a little bit. Wherever he is, whether he is at a shop or at home or talking to a friend, he is always able to speak a little bit of English. But my English was weaker than even these villagers, and I mostly didn't even try to speak English because my English wasn't good and the villagers would make fun of me. I tried very hard to learn English, but I felt that I would not be able to speak English and I had lost hope in my life. Then one day something happened. My friend Anil told me, "Hi, there is this AI. It's called ChatGPT." He said, "It can help you learn anything." I laughed. AI? Come on, man. I need a teacher, not a robot. But he said, just try. Say hello to see what happens. So that night I opened ChatGPT. I typed hello. It replied instantly, "Hello, how can I help you today?" And I said, "My English is bad. Can you help me?" What it did next surprised me. It didn't laugh. It didn't say, "Go study grammar." It replied softly, clearly, and kindly. Then I gradually started learning English through ChatGPT, and it gradually started teaching me English. This is how I am able to speak good English today. According to me, in this time you can learn anything very easily and very accurately through ChatGPT. So by taking the help of ChatGPT, you can improve your English and you can also speak good English. And in today there are many such means through which we can learn English. Today there are many such social media apps through which we can learn good English. We can also interact with people whose English is good. You all, my dear friends, I want to tell you all that if you want to learn English, then practice it every day, and by installing such social media apps, you can learn and speak good English and also make your life better. So friends, if you get any benefit from this video and you are able to learn English even a little through it, then please like the video share it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All my dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video.